Well, hey y'all, Dan here. Thanks for joining me. We've talked about the tent and we've talked about my backpacks. I want to show you my sleep system or my sleep kit. And the best way to do that is to set it up for you. Setting up a tent is sort of a personal preference thing. And everyone does it a little differently. I'll show you how I do it and sort of take some of the mystery out of how it starts. I'm pretty simple. So this is just a little foam base layer that I lay down. You know, the bottom of the tent is sort of slick, and when I put my air mattress down, it tends to slide around. So this foam helps keep it in place, and it works wonders. Next is the air mattress itself. My air mattress is a Big Agnes Ultra Air Core. It's an insulated air mattress. And I use this year-round, whether it's in summer like now or in winter, because what I found is that the insulation actually helps keep me cooler in the summer the same way it keeps me warmer in the winter. First thing you do is lay it out. Has these two valves. This top valve is to open to let all the air out. This bottom valve I open, and I can either blow it up with my mouth, or my lungs are so tired at the end of the day, I am thankful to have this this air sac pump. Let me show you how that works. It's sort of like a dry bag. In fact, sometimes I put my tent in here and use it like a dry bag, but it's also an air pump. And this is the way it works. You open it up, and there's a piece inside that you pull out. Open up the bottom of the valve, and that sticks in right here. Put it in place. All I have to do is really open the bag up. On a windy day, it'll fill itself up. But a couple of light breaths, fill it up. Just run air down into the sack. Now it's time for my sleeping bag. My sleeping bag is an Igneo 17-degree sleeping bag from REI. I use this year-round, the heat of summer. It works really well because I lay on top of the sleeping bag. But in the wintertime, I can get in. What about when it's in between? It's too hot to sleep into this sleeping bag, but it's too cool out to lay on top. These sleeping bag liners, well, they do three things for me. They let me sort of get in between those temperatures, and I'll lay my sleeping bag liner out and lay in it. But it also adds another layer of insulation if it's really cold at night. It keeps all the dirt from the day of hiking out of the sleeping bag and it keeps it in this liner, which is a whole lot easier to wash than this down sleeping bag. No bed would be complete without a pillow. This is my puffy jacket. It folds up into its own pocket, and you can actually use this for a pillow. It works pretty good, but it's not great for me. I have inflatable pillows. I'm going to show you one that this is a Clement pillow. It's an extra large pillow, and I really wanted to like this pillow. It is a large pillow. It has this screw top valve. It takes 8.5 breaths for me to fill this pillow up. But honestly, it's not my favorite. For me, it tends to slide out from under me as I'm trying to sleep at night. I'm always chasing it around in the tent. Don't really like this pillow so much. But I love this pillow. This is an Outdoor Vitals ultralight pillow. Now, I'm not an affiliate and I'm not endorsing Outdoor Vitals, but I do like this pillow, and I'll show it to you. Okay, for 2.5 breaths to fill this pillow up. It's got a soft cover on it. It's sort of an elastic pillow, and it's shaped so that it fits into the top of my sleeping bag, into the mummy hood of my sleeping bag. And it fits and it tucks up in there very well. It also tucks up into this sleeping bag liner very well. And it stays tucked up in there pretty good all night long. It's a comfortable pillow. That is my sleeping system. I have this 1/8-inch foam at the bottom, my Big Agnes Arab mattress, this Igneo REI 17-degree sleeping bag, and then my sleeping bag liner. You know, I know some people use quilts, and that's fine. For myself, I just like a sleeping bag. So, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Let me let you hear the saddest sound of the day. The air coming out of my mattress. I love sunrise. Love getting up early in the morning after a good night's sleep. Hope you had a good night's sleep. That'll do it for this video. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path, and God bless you.